Hello, Ederson Oliveira here. This is the DNN tip of the week, and today I'll be talking about a question that I get quite frequently, which is, how can I give someone access to add new pages to my DNN site without making them a super user, without making them an administrator that has all the power to do anything on the website? I just want to give them access to add new pages. How can that be done? That can be done easily, and I'll be showing that next. Before I tell you about the DNN tip of the week, I want to bring to your attention our sponsor, Manage.com. Why do I have them as a sponsor? Because I use them, because I trust them, because I have been running my business on their hosting environment for over 7 years now. I trust them. I have used other providers, but at the end of the day, I go back to them because of their support level and their technical abilities as well. Let me tell you, no other support, no other hosting provider out there will call you on the phone to give you the status update of your ticket. Nobody will do that, and I get that from Manage.com. That's what differentiates them. It's not only the technical side, which they are very good as well, the best one in the DNN space and beyond that, but they are also very good when it comes to support, when it comes to the personal touch. So my recommendation to you is host with them. You will not get disappointed. They have good rates and great, awesome support. That's it. Let's go back to our tip of the week. Okay, so here's the scenario. We have a DNN 911 website. I have a departments page, and I want to give content editors the ability to create additional pages under the departments page. So this is what I have done so far. If I go here to roles, I have created a role called content editors, and I have added a user to that role called Ederson. So that's what we have done so far. Now I'm going to go to departments, and because I want to allow content editors to create departments pages on the departments page, I have to go to the settings of this page. I'm going to go to the edit button. I'm going to click again to stick around. I'm going to go to page settings. And from here, I'm going to go to permissions, and I'm going to add content editors as the new role that I have created. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to say that they have access to edit the departments page. The departments page is a top level navigation page. So I'm going to save this. Now, by doing so, if I go to another browser and I log in as Ederson, which is the content editor, I'm already logged in. I did that already. If I go to departments, now I'll be able to see the persona bar on the left-hand side. Then I can go to the edit button, but I don't really need to do that, but I'm going to stick around here. So I'm going to go to the pages. And from here, I'm seeing the details of the departments page, because that's the only page that I have access here, that I'm currently on. Now, as you can see at the top, you see the button that says add page. So you can click there. Now, when I try to add a page here, I'm going to say that this is operations. So that's the title, that's the page. There's a drop down here that will mislead you to believe that you can add this page under any page on the website. You cannot. Maybe this will be fixed eventually on DNN 9, but at this point in time, you only have, as a content editor, you only have editing access to departments. So it doesn't matter if you select here home, it will not create the page under home. It doesn't matter if you select none specified, it will not create the page as a top level navigation. It will only create the page under departments. And I'm going to show you this. You see, I'm going to leave this non-specified. I'm going to save this. By the way, I'm going to go to permission. Yeah, it's already view and edit content editor. That's fine. So I'm going to save this, add page. So as you can see, even though I said that parent was none, but it did automatically add operations under departments because that's the page that I have access to. Then from this point on, you can keep adding pages under departments, or you can add now pages under, as a content editor, under operations as well. So you can go to operations and you can go to pages And then from here, you see the details of the operations page, but then again, you can click on add page and I can say marketing. And if I'm not mistaken, because I'm on operations, it will create under operations. However, I think that I can switch this to departments and it should work. I'm not quite sure, but let's give this a try. Otherwise, we'll have to be on the page to be able to add pages under that parent. Let me try to make this less confusing. Let's set this page here. Let's have a look. So under operations, you see, marketing ended up being placed under operations. Let's see if we can move this around. So I'm going to go there. I'm going to go to settings, and I would hope that I would be able to move this to departments. Let's see. Yep, I was able to, because again, I have access to departments too. So bottom line is that you can only add pages under a page that you have editing access to that page. In our case, departments. If you need to give access to content editor to add pages on the main navigation, you might as well just give them admin access, because this strategy will only allow them to add more pages underneath a page where they have editing access. Now, there's one strange thing here, if you notice that for a second. On the editing bar at the bottom, you can see add existing module and you can see page sets, but you cannot see add new module. But that will be the topic of another video. I'm just going to show quickly here add existing module. The only pages that you will be able to copy modules from are the pages that you have access as an editor. If you click home page, it doesn't show any modules here. If you click on departments, it shows the module there. So again, you can only copy modules from an existing page that you have editing access to that page. Last but not least, I want to mention that this feature of being able to add pages to another page, not being an admin user, is also available on DNN 8, and I'm quite sure on DNN 7 as well. So that's it. That's how you can give access to a content editor that is not an admin user to be able to add more pages to your DNN website. If you like this DNN tip of the week and don't want to miss out anyone, subscribe.